Hello everyone, I'm Michael, and in this video we will talk about the hidden power of Bitcoin measured by the index that will be useful for every trader and crypto investor. I will tell you how the Bitcoin Dominance Index works, what does it show, and most importantly, what unusual correlations we can find by studying this metric. The cryptocurrency market is still strongly linked to Bitcoin, but during periods of bulls and bears in the market, we can predict trends and guess sentiment by studying the Bitcoin Dominance Index. Be sure to watch this video to the end to find out when the market is ideal for buying altcoins. Write in the comments whether you follow this index and use it in trading. Okay, so let's start. I will begin with a bit of theory. The Bitcoin Dominance Index indicates the share of market capitalization that Bitcoin holds relative to the entire cryptocurrency market. In other words, it is the percentage of Bitcoin's market value to the total value of the market. The calculation methodology is as follows. Divide the Bitcoin market capitalization by the total market capitalization of all the cryptocurrency and multiply by 100%. In some cases, around 125 magic coins are taken, but the essence remains the same. Why is this so important? Bitcoin is historically the first cryptocurrency, and the demand for it is much higher than for other assets in the industry. People are well accustomed to Bitcoin. They consider it as simple, reliable, and understandable financial instrument. That is why it is often compared to gold and other safe haven assets. As we know, such assets often act as a quiet harbor during periods of uncertainty, change, and market turmoil. Press like if you consider Bitcoin as safest option in crypto in the times of turbulence. Something is always happening in the crypto market, from bankruptcies, exchange hacks, to the latest hype of shitcoins, meme coins. There is no time to get bored. That is why it is nice to keep in mind that in general, most altcoins are incredibly volatile instruments. Bitcoin is also volatile, but not as much, and it is much more predictable and understandable for investors. Bitcoin's predictability has allowed it to develop a wide range of infrastructure over the years. Numerous wallets, cryptocurrency exchanges, mining rigs, miners in mining pools, and so on. Let's add to this the recent introduction of Bitcoin ETFs, and we shall have more institutional investors who are considering buying Bitcoin via conventional mechanism to diversify their portfolios. In general, Bitcoin remains the flagship of the crypto industry in every sense, including the share of investment attracted. But what are the practical uses of the Bitcoin Dominance Index? What does it actually show? Firstly, and the most obvious, the index allows us to access how popular Bitcoin is in the cryptocurrency market at a specific point in time. If the index is high, it means the Bitcoin holds a larger portion of the market capitalization. In this case, it will have a stronger influence on the market as a whole. On the other hand, if the index is low, it means that altcoins are getting more attention. By the way, at present, the index value is around 54%, meaning that a significant portion of the cryptocurrency market capitalization belongs to Bitcoin. Secondly, by tracking changes in the index, we can try to catch market sentiments. For instance, a decrease in the index is often seen as a positive signal because investors are more inclined to take risks and start investing in altcoins. On the other hand, an increase in the index is often viewed as a negative signal. This may indicate that investors are hesitant to hold assets in altcoins and prefer the safety of Bitcoin, or in some cases, stablecoins. By the way, the period when Bitcoin's share of the total market capitalization decreases is called the altcoin season or alt season. How does it happen? It is believed that the alt season may follow a rapid rise in Bitcoin's price, sometimes even when it reaches a new all-time high. Many players in the market profit with Bitcoin and they want to reinvest in altcoins. In such cases, Bitcoin's price may remain flat or even decrease. Is there a strict correlation between the Bitcoin Dominance Index and a negative positive market signal? And does this mean that when the Bitcoin Dominance Index rises, for example, another cryptocurrency will definitely decrease in value? The answer to both questions is no. In the market, it can be that Bitcoin is in a bullish trend actively growing and its market capitalization is increasing, while the other coins are also prospering. It's just that people bring money to Bitcoin more quickly than to altcoins. The Bitcoin Dominance Index is just one of many indicators, and it is not advisable to rely solely on one tool in trading. It should always be combined with other technical and fundamental analysis methods. The Bitcoin Dominance Index is not to be taken literally, but it can be used as a supplementary guide to trends and sentiments. And what are the sentiments that the index can catch? Most often, there are three scenarios related to the increase of the Bitcoin Dominance Index. Number one, when the BDI rises and the price of Bitcoin increases, there is a possibility that the altcoin market will start to decline or remain lateral. Number two, if the index is rising but the price of Bitcoin is falling, altcoins prices may decrease even more rapidly. Number three, if the index is rising but the price of Bitcoin remains flat, the altcoins may go down. There are also three scenarios associated with a decrease in the BDI. When the BDI decreases and the price of Bitcoin rises, altcoins may rapidly increase in price. Second scenario, when the BDI falls as does the price of Bitcoin, altcoins may remain at their current level or even slightly rise. When the BDI falls and the price of Bitcoin is stable, this often signals as potential increase in altcoin prices. Finally, if the index doesn't change for some time, this indicates that the dynamics of Bitcoin and altcoins are synchronous. By the way, how did Bitcoin's dominance change in the past, and what conclusions can we draw from that? At first, and for some time, Bitcoin's dominance exceeded 90%. This was due to the fact that there simply weren't enough coins represented in the market, and a significant decrease in the Bitcoin Dominance Index began in 2017. For example, in the beginning of December 2015, the index value exceeded 98-99% in December 2016, and by December 2017, it dropped below 42%. During 2017, Bitcoin's price increased from $7,500 to $19,666, more than 26 times, and at the same time, the dominance index lost over 52%. Therefore, this indirectly confirms the idea that the index may decrease as investors reinvest their profits. However, in absolute values, both Bitcoin and altcoin prices can rise. Other factors contributing to the decrease in the index in 2017 were the rapid development of ERC20 tokens and the ICO boom. Please write in the comments, what do you personally think of those times? Were you already in crypto industry, and if so, what did you try, mining or ICO? From the beginning of 2018 to the end of 2019, the dominance index fluctuated with varying success. This period is also considered to be the crypto winter. In December 2018, the Bitcoin price fell to $3,100. In August 2019, the dominance index recovered and exceeded 71%. From January to May 2021, the dominance index again significantly decreased from over 73% to less than 40%. Around the same time, from January to April, the Bitcoin price increased from $27,700 to $65,000, but then dropped in May. Finally, by the end of 2022, the index began a gradual increase. In November 2022, it was less than 40%, and by July 2024, it exceeded 54%. Currently, Bitcoin's dominance index has been steadily maintained above 50% for 9 consecutive months. Overall, the movement of the index now appears to be sideways. All things considered, the Bitcoin Dominance Index, while not the most precise, is actually a useful supplementary tool that can be combined with technical and fundamental analysis to identify entry points while trading. So guys, if you're still with me till this end of the video, I'm very happy, and I want you to ask to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in this topic, and smash the like button. See you the next time. This was Michael Trading View channel, and bye.